In this video I'm going to make a start on the axle boxes. First I'm going to turn up some round blanks. Okay, so I'm just facing these discs off to a length. I'm going to leave them oversized, but I want the faces to be parallel. Now I don't have any adjustable backstops for this chuck. That's a future project. But I've got a decent length of engagement. So if I just gently tighten the chuck and rotate the part slightly and kind of rock it, you suddenly find like a sweet spot, and tighten it up there. It's all down to feel, and it should be pretty accurate. Take a little skim. Okay, clean the chuck a bit. So rest the vernier on the chuck jaw, keep it flat and square. It's 19.75, 19.7576. 19.75 to 76. It's fluctuating between the two, so that's pretty good. .03, that's good. Like I say, it's not the finished size. I'm going to adjust that on the final assembly. So I've decided to have a go at using this square block to machine these axle boxes to a rectangular shape. So I've made a mandrel that it fits onto. It's a nice fit with a clamping screw, but I just want to check how accurate this is going to be. Pretty much on zero there. Turn it through 180 degrees. Looks like it's about half a division down. Should be 0.005 millimeters. That would be down 0.02 or maybe 0.01. Turn it through 180. Slightly below 0. So it seems to be within 0.01 of a millimetre all the way around, which is like 3/10 of a thou roughly. So this needs to be 26. Spot on. That's 2 millimeters exactly. Perfect. Oh, it's nice. It's just a slight bit of play there, just perfect. Yeah, I'll settle for that. So this side is thick at the moment. This should end up at a width of 2.5, but I've left it long in case my maths is not right. So once we assemble the wheels with the axles, we can determine the required width for this this part of it here. Yep, lovely. This should be just under 15.4 to give a bit of clearance. 15.37, that's good, it's about a thou clearance. So this is the trailing axle box for the trailing wheels, and as I've been going along I thought of an alternative way to do these rather than keep taking the block out in the vise and turning it around. What I've done here is I've got this one side machined with reference to the bottom of the round portion, so I know that my radius to each surface is correct. So then I actually take it out, or well, slacken it off, rotate it, use a parallel, make sure everything's clean, and then use an adjustable parallel under there to get it flat. Apply a bit of pressure, tighten it up, make sure that's nice and tight in there, there's no wobble. And that's it done. So if I machine this side to exactly the same dimensions as the other side with reference to the centre line, then everything will be symmetrical and I should hit my size. And if I don't hit my size, if I need to take a little bit more off, it's very easy to literally just take a less than a thou, take a skim, turn it round, set up with the adjustable parallel, and you get it spot on. Which I had to do with one of the other axle boxes. It was just a little bit tight, so I took about 3/4 of a thou off each side and it worked perfectly. In the next video I'll add a lubrication system to the axle boxes and finish them off ready to fit to the loco. Meanwhile, here's a reminder of the story so far. Thanks for watching. See you next time.